Daikyo was established in 1976 in Komatsu, Ishikawa, with painting and coating as our core business. Currently, the business is expanded to steel metal processing and assembly businesses, so that a wide variety of products have been manufactured. In 2003, Daikyo established Shandong Cab Company Limited in China as the first overseas base. In 2006 in Thailand, we established Daikyo Corporation Thailand Limited as a solely owned subsidiary. In 2007, we established Daikyo Incorporated Machinery in China, jointly with Komatsu. In the same year, we held an opening ceremony inviting Mr. Noji, a former president of Komatsu, and others from municipal officers. Domestic and overseas groups respectively have their own integrated production lines from sheet metal processing to assembly, and work cooperatively with one another for procurement and manufactures, to guarantee the steady supply of products and parts to customers worldwide. Almost 67% of all Komatsu machines produced over the world incorporate Daikyo products. The head plant is composed of 3 plants. The first plant for painting and coating throughout fitting. The second plant for assembly of cabs and driver's seats for construction machinery, and the third plant for sheet metal processing and welding of cabs and exterior components. Let us guide you to our production line processes. The sheet metal processing is composed of an exterior component line and a cab line. A single sheet formed by a 1,000-ton deep drawing hydraulic press and then trimmed by 2 3D laser cutting machines accurately and neatly. Through the introduction of sheet metal processing system purchased from Komatsu Industries, customers' data are converted to output data to process parts with a 2D fiber laser machines and a press brake. This takes only a few hours to finish an entire process from the reception of customers' data to the completion of production. Then products manufactured by sheet metal processing are kept in a stable position. Even a complicated area of products can be welded with a floor handling robot or a welding robot. Welded 3 products are then transferred to the painting and coating line. The next process is for painting and coating. Painting and coating process includes black and ivory caution electrodeposition painting. The black caution electrodeposition painting facility equips a large bath which is 3.1 meters in depth, 1.7 meters in width, and 2.8 meters in height. This bath can accommodate a product weighing up to 1 ton, equivalent to 2 compact cars, to be painted at once. A single-touch painting which does not require finish coating ensures outstanding rust-proof performance and glossy surface. This leads to high customer satisfaction. The ivory cashing electro-deposition painting facility is for underpainting to enhance rust prevention. The product, after being electro-deposited, is automatically transferred to a powder coating booth by a conveyor in order to finish coating. In the powder coating booth, a reciprocator extends from right to the left. Each moves up and down to spray powdery paint onto metals by using electrostatic system. Then, oversprayed paint is automatically collected and reused. In the baking and drying process, in consideration of energy saving and the environment, low-temperature powdery paint is used to lower the temperature from 180 degrees to 160 degrees. Over 500 parts such as a sound-absorbing material, a light, and a grill are outfitted with painted products. After each product is carefully inspected, it is either delivered to customer's line side or put together in the assembly process. The assembly process is divided into 3 lines: a medium-sized assembly line, a large-sized assembly line, and a component assembly line. Provided in not only Japan but also 8 countries overseas, about 600 varieties of cab seats and cabs for hydraulic excavators, bulldozers, dump trucks, and wheel loaders are assembled. The medium-sized assembly line is capable of handling mass production for average 5 minutes or even less per unit. The large-sized assembly line is in charge of bulldozers and wheel loaders cabs. The component assembly line, on the other hand, is in charge of cabs for 200-ton level powder excavators, wheel loaders, radiators, other specialized products assembly, and crawler carriers, which are fully self-developed and produced by Daikyo. As for quality, we use electric component checker and the air leak tester to ensure the quality of electronic equipment, hydraulic control equipment, and the traveling control equipment. A 3D measuring equipment is installed to smoothly measure even extremely complex areas. In order to figure out accurate configuration of products, a 3D scanner is additionally equipped to collate 3D data with scanned objects. We were certified by ISO 9001 in 1999 and ISO 14001 in 2001. These help us receive many awards from Komatsu, like Komatsu Quality Control Award, and gain our credibility in terms of quality and the environmental management. The Technology Learning Center is disseminate knowledge and skills under the guidance of the experienced in order to increase human resources required in Daikyo production system. A utility vehicle has been developed to commemorate the 30th anniversary of the company's founding as a part of realization of employees' dreams and hopes of owning a Daikyo product in the future. With this utility vehicle as a base, Daikyo will keep making efforts to develop and manufacture products. As one of our approaches to manufacture better products, we hold a company sports meet every year to motivate employees and strengthen their solidarity. As a company that is promising and capable of proposing the best suited ideas to respective customers, Daikyo keeps trying to make great strides